Are you looking for a smartwatch that fits your active, outdoor lifestyle? Then the Laxasfit H11 Smart Watch might just be what you're looking for. This watch comes packed with useful health and fitness features, including sports mode, blood sugar monitoring, blood fat monitoring, blood oxygen SpO2 monitoring, uric acid monitoring, heart rate monitoring, and many more. What's in the box? Let's start with the unboxing. Quick guide manual, magnetic charging cable, watch straps, and of course, the Laxasfit H11 smartwatch itself. Design and build. The watch feels durable and has a rugged look. It's built with a thick body, giving it a tough, outdoor-ready appearance. It's also waterproof, making it reliable even in wet conditions. On one side, you'll find the power button and a surprisingly bright flashlight. On the other side is the speaker, and the sensors are located at the back. One thing I really liked is that you can set the time even without pairing it to your phone yet, something many smartwatches don't allow. Also, that flashlight, super bright and really useful in dark environments. Display and battery, 2.01-inch touchscreen, 320 mAh battery, decent battery life for regular use. Getting started. To turn on the watch, tap and hold the power button. To pair it with your smartphone. 1. Download the Laxasfit app from the Play Store. 2. Follow the on-screen instructions to connect the watch. Customization and features. There are plenty of watch faces to choose from. Just tap the main dial, go to Dial Mall, download the designs you like. You can also customize your own. Go to DIY Dial. Choose your favorite photo from your gallery. Main features highlight. This smartwatch is packed with features, many of which are impressive considering its price. Price and final thoughts. You can get the Laxasfit H11 on SHOPEE for around 295 Philippine pesos only. Link in the description. For such an affordable price, it's amazing how many features you get. If you're on a budget but still want a reliable smartwatch with tons of functionality, this one is worth checking out.